Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I'm your humble search worker Blago. In today's video, we'll be discussing uh, the current cryptocurrency adoption that happened with El Salvador as using Bitcoin as their currency. So El Salvador is a country that is under the influence of the United States of America because they use the US dollar. So they don't have their own currency. Okay, so they are currently adopting Bitcoin as their currency. And this week, they dropped $30 to every citizen of the country. Okay, so which is a plus for the cryptocurrency market because we've seen retail traders adopting cryptocurrency. We've seen companies, businesses accepting cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and now we are seeing countries. So the question now is, are there going to be other countries that will follow the step of El Salvador? And what is the market implication of this development? Well, you can say that the market reacted in a positive direction this week when this news was made live, and you see a lot of you know positive reaction in the market. Like Bitcoin went up from being like close to 30,000 to as high as 35 going to 36. So you will see BNB going from 280 plus $80 to as high as 314, and so on and so forth. So the market this week has been kind of bullish because of this news, but we still won't write off the huge avalanche of people who bought in at the high price. Okay, we have a lot of people who bought in at the very high price of most of these cryptocurrencies. You have people buying BNB at $600, $500. You have people buying Bitcoin at 60,000, 59,000, 50 something thousand, and now the price is below half. Okay, these are going to represent the resistance that we are seeing in the market. So, is the market bullish? Well, at the moment, I think the market is bearish. It's confirmed bearish. So, what you do in this case is anytime you see a dip, buy and hold. Okay, if you have a kind of monthly percentage you use to buy cryptocurrency or investment, I advise you buy because the market definitely will turn around at a point, and we've seen this over time and time again. And each time it comes out of this uh, bearish situation that is created by a market crash, you find out that the price always goes to a new all-time high. Does it happen overnight? No. Sometimes it takes months, sometimes it takes years. Like we saw with Bitcoin dropping to as low as $3,000 from 19,000, 20,000, and then going up gradually over the years to a new all-time high of $60,000. So that's how the market is. So the El Salvador situation is a positive one, but I know that countries will be looking at the situation and wondering what they can learn from it because most of these countries have strong ties with the US. Okay, like El Salvador has strong ties with the US, and at the same time, you also look at the World Bank and how this plays out. Okay, and how this plays out. So if this works out fine, then we will have a good situation for cryptocurrency. Then also the China situation where they crack down on mining and exchanges as they've done before. This will only help the market because a lot of people are concerned of going into the cryptocurrency space because of the huge amount of Bitcoin coming out from China. And some of these guys are too sentimental to, to the point that they are trying to differentiate the Bitcoin that comes from China and the Bitcoin that comes from US or preferable countries. But at the same time, this can cause a short squeeze in the market if these miners are not mining new coins. So what happens is that there will be limited supply for the time being while everybody is scrapping for it. So I see this happening in a positive direction. We also see situations whereby banks were prohibited from offering solutions to countries in countries like Nigeria, my country, and you see the P2P market wake up booming. I think Nigeria should be number one or number two in the peer-to-peer market situation. So, but with the China, same thing happening in China, extending to miners, the question is, will there be a P2P boom in the Chinese market? Okay, will there be a P2P boom in the Chinese market, knowing fully well that the Chinese oppressed a communist party and they don't allow freedom of information and they don't allow freedom of communication? So, will people be too scared to trade cryptocurrency? Does it mean that cryptocurrency is banned and you cannot trade peer to peer? Well, that question is yet to be answered. But in the case of Nigeria, it wasn't banned. It's just that banks were prohibited from offering services or even getting involved in the first place. But it doesn't mean that the peer-to-peer market in Nigeria isn't working. Instead, it grew by 1,000 folds. So for me, the cryptocurrency space is still positive. It's still filled with positive vibes, and I know for sure that the market will recover. When it will recover, how long it will take, that I don't know. But one thing I can assure you of is always make sure you have a percentage of your portfolio in crypto, especially now when the prices of cryptos are down, so that whenever it is down, you buy some and you keep in your wallet. Because will the price go up? Yes, it will. We will have another. Are we going to have another bull run situation? Yes, we are going to have. Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. I just want to give you guys my thoughts on this, on the current situation of things in the cryptocurrency space, especially with countries regulation. We have one country adopting Bitcoin as a currency, while the other is banning banks from participating and going after miners. Okay. So guys, let me know your thoughts on this situation, and till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.